learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And for this month of May, we're focusing on a topic we don't want to touch too often because it's about not feeling well. But we still need to teach it to you because I think it's practical. We do feel unwell from time to time, and we should know how to say that in Hakka. Certain pains that we have, okay? 不可否认，我们常常可能哪里不舒服啦，这里痛那里痛啊。那我不舒服是这个月的主题。How do we say that again?
挨毛鬆鬆。
挨毛鬆鬆，鬆鬆其實就是舒服。
對。
毛鬆鬆 that means not feeling well. All right, today let's focus on pains. 我们今天就来痛一下。
痛一下。
对，肚子痛啦。
肚子痛是吗？
对。
肚子痛。
That's how to say stomach ache, okay? 肚子痛哦，肚子1、2、3、4的4的感觉哈，肚子痛。
那海陆腔，肚臍痛。
肚臍痛啊，4不见了。肚臍痛 is a different way of saying stomach ache. 那头痛的话怎么说呢？
頭拿痛。
頭拿痛 ，OK， 頭拿 is your head， 头脑，头脑在痛就是头痛。頭拿痛 ，again that's a headache. But 如果我去看医生的时候，我要说，医生我不舒服，那我们要怎么说？
先生，挨毛鬆鬆。
哦，先生就是医生，是不是？That's doctor， 先生。
挨毛鬆鬆。
对，挨毛鬆鬆 ，OK，that's our topic， 我不舒服 ，OK。那有时候在上课的时候，突然间肚子痛，我们刚刚讲已经教过肚子痛了，要造一个句，说老师我肚子痛呢。
先生，挨肚子痛。
先生不是医生吗？你又先生。
先生也是老师啊。
啊，真的吗？
不然你不是常常叫我先生吗？
哦，对，
老师先生。
对，我刚刚没有发现，你刚刚讲医生是先生，
医生也是先生。
哦，都好欣赏这些老师跟医生，就先生。Saying a doctor and a teacher is the same word in Hakka. 先生。先生 ，OK， 挨
肚子痛。
OK，
挨毛鬆鬆。
OK. Again, it's either teacher, I have a stomach ache, or doctor, I'm not feeling too well. Let's go ahead and review these pains right here. 肚子痛 stomach ache. 肚子痛 and then you have your headache 头痛。
頭拿痛。
然後再來就是我不舒服。
挨毛鬆鬆。
And there you have it, another practical Hakka here in ICRT.
什麼太假？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.